Canon Zoemini, a pocket model that prints 5x 7.6 cm images and is presented as Canon's smallest and lightest photo printer. Designed to print and share your best memories instantly and unleash your creativity and enjoy personalized photos wherever you are, the new portable printer uses ink technology, without ink, which is basically the same as the latest Kodak and Polaroid instant cameras, who precisely inaugurated the technology. Bluetooth 4.0 to connect through the Canon MiniPrint application. This tool will allow users to quickly print images with personalized effects such as mosaics, collages, retro selfies or photos with filters of animal faces. And, according to the press release, the Canon Zoemini wants to motivate people to give free rein to their creativity, thanks to the infinity of fashion filters, frames and augmented reality effects. In addition, through the app can also have access to Instagram, Facebook, Google Photos and Dropbox to print copies of our photos stored there. As for the features of the new portable printer, the Canon Zoemini fits perfectly in the palm of your hand, in a bag and even in a pocket. The truth is that only weighs 160 grams, has dimensions of 118 x 82 x 19 mm, is powered by a rechargeable battery and takes about 50 seconds to print a copy of 5x 7.6 cm. The new Canon Zoemini will be found in 3 different finishes: pink/white, white/silver and black/slate gray.